Some of you have started using live worksheets and you like using their worksheets, but it's very easy to make your own worksheets if you would like to make your own. So how would you do that? I'm going to show you how to make a drag and drop. This is the link for live worksheets. And to make your own, you do have to create an account. It's free to create an account. You click on Make Interactive Worksheets and get started. You're going to upload. Now you can either scan the worksheet, or if you have it already on your computer, you can take a picture of the section you want to create or you want to add to it, or you can just upload it. So I'm going to choose my file, and it's in my recents. It's a sequence of events. Upload. Okay, so here's the worksheet. And what you got to do is you got to make boxes. So I'm going to create a box here. And on live worksheets, most of it is you create boxes over where you want to put stuff at, or when you want to pick an answer. So I'm going to create boxes over each portion. Once you have your boxes made, you got to type in them. So in here, you're going to type, oh, where did my box go? Okay, why can I type? I type drag 1, and this one goes here, so I type in drop 1. This is the one that's going to get dragged into the first place, and it's going to get dropped right here. So in my next box, I'm going to type in drop, and then you put the colons, drop 2, and the second event would be, oh, I did that one. I put in the wrong order. Actually, this is drop 1, and this is drop 2. This is the first event. This is the second event. Drop 3. And this would be drag 3. Drop 4. Drag 4. So that's pretty much it. Once you type in what you need in your boxes, where something's getting dropped off, you put in drop and then the number, and something that's being dragged, you type in drag, the colons, and then the number, and then they match up. When you've done that, you click the save, which is the little clipboard with the check mark. Oh, there are errors. What did I do wrong? Drop 4. Okay, let me double check. This is my error. Drop 1. This is drop 2, drop 3, drop 4. Why is it telling me that's an error? 1. Oh, because this one says drop. It should say drag. So as you can see, if you make a mistake, it'll let you know you made a mistake. So this should say drag 1. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. And I'm going to keep it private since I didn't create this worksheet. Remember, anytime you take a worksheet out of a workbook or you buy it on Teacher Pay Teacher, you need to keep it private. Title it Sequence of Events. And I want to see how it works. I'm going to click open worksheet and I'm going to try to work it out. So the baby's playing in the snow. She has her babies in the den. That's the second event. She keeps her babies warm. That would be my third event. And my first event would be she makes a den. Click finish, check my answers, and there's your score. Okay, and that's about it. You can change your settings on your worksheet if you would like to. It gives you options on it if you want to go ahead and change them. And then to view your worksheets once you're done, you click on your name and you would click my worksheets, and all the worksheets you've made are right there. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.